So before we get started, the first thing I want to say about gardening, and this is very important, it'll make your life a lot easier, I know it has mine, is that if at all possible, try to have parents who own a plant nursery. That way, you'll have constant access to both plants and information. Well, that's all the time we have. No, my parents did start Covington's nursery back before I was born, but I don't like to say that gardening has always been a part of my life because that makes it sound like I liked it. And I did not always. Not really until I got my first home with a yard, and then I learned two very important other things, which is one, landscaping is hard, and also that it requires a lot of information in order to be successful. And that's what this show's gonna be about. I know a lot of things just from being around it my whole life, but not nearly as much as I probably should. And so we're gonna go on a journey together, or in Texas terms, a hunt. We're gonna hunt for information, and we're both gonna be learning together.